Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to write in other languages online with the help of AI. I know I had some troubles writing in English, and this AI tool is fantastic. So let's begin. The site name is Rytr.me. The free plan is quite generous. I use Saver plan. It's $9 a month, and you get a lot. You can generate 100,000 characters per month, and that's enough, believe me. And you get the help of a powerful AI. So let's go over to it and start writing. You can start new document. I have done that. That is tutorial. You open it, it's empty. You begin with choosing your language, whichever it may be. My native language is Polish. I've been living in Sweden for 30 odd years, and I will do this in English, I think. You can select tone in which you would like to write. It's very diverse. As you see, I chose convincing, and here you have some ideas for which the AI should be writing, and let's test some of them. For example, blog idea. You write primary keywords like dogs, training. You can choose how many variants do you want to and click for write me, and the AI is working. There you go. You get the blog topics, 3 options, and if you like to expand on one of the lines, you just go and mark it and click on paragraph, and then the AI will work some more and write some more text for you based on that marking you made. It's super easy to just copy and paste after that. We can check some other ideas. An email, for example. You want to write to someone that is about to go on holidays. It's time for vacation. And we let it work. And here is your email. It's your subject, time to relax. And as you see, this AI is incredible. It's that time of the year when you can finally relax and recharge your batteries. It's like human writing. Let's go on. product description, for example. You can write product name, hammers, it hammers nails. Let's see what it writes. And as you see, your product description is ready. And if you want to extend your lines, press paragraph, or you can generate an AI image of what you have highlighted. And it has made an image of a hammer. So as you see, it's quite exceptional. Would you like to write a song? Yes, I would. Song about YouTube grind. Let's see what we get. And you have song lyrics. It's fantastic. What do we have more? Story plot for a YouTube video. Video channel description. Video description is extremely important when you're making YouTube videos. What's the video title? 10 best tips for dog training. And press for write. Struggling to train your dog, then you need to watch this in this video. It's perfect. We would expand on that line, and it's the paragraph. And on that, yeah, it sometimes struggles to understand what we mean, so you have to be extremely, what's the word, exact in what you're writing to it. Video idea. Let's take that and then delete it. What do you want to make a video about? Let's make about cooking chicken. So that's the video idea, how to cook moist and juicy chicken breast every time. So you can expand on that. And there you have it. An extremely powerful AI that will write for you. You can just copy and paste. And in this series I will do multiple videos on AIs that will help you make your text, your videos, your text to voice applications, also AI, sounding like real humans, even making videos for you. So stay tuned, check out my channel and subscribe. Thank you guys. Goodbye.